Welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to see the seals at Horsey Gap. We're starting here because I need to change my lens. I got the wide angle one, I need a closer in one. Right, catch you in a minute. Right, so it's in the first pack. We're now going to go try get on the beach down there, I think. There's some down there on the beach and we can go down to them. So let's try it. Got one snoozing with his friend here. Oh, I woke him up. Got a little one just sleeping on the bank up here. So because it's zoomed in, you have to deal with my face a bit more, but it's such a good day. I love coming here. Every time we come here it's so nice and so worth it. And there's so many seals every single time. And if anyone's wondering about the welfare, they have these flags out so you can't get any closer to them. And they're all along the beaches. So there, and they go all the way up. So for anyone wondering, there you go. I just got a zoomed in camera to be able to get some footage for you. Right, so that's the seals done. There's so many, recommend it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.